Ideas for how to achieve affiliate marketing success. Affiliate marketing, while it involves being paid for your ability to bring in new customers to a business, can be a very rewarding and engaging form of business. It's important to know everything you can about how to succeed in the world of affiliate marketing, which is why you should watch this video. Increasing your productivity in affiliate marketing is about mindset just as much as it is about action. So in order to make sure you have the proper mindset, you should always wait until you experience results before increasing your campaign. Results will give you the confidence to grow and the drive to follow through. Do not forget that affiliate marketing expands further than the internet. You do not have to convert someone online. You may find a product that allows you to pitch by phone or by snail mail. This is a great way to increase your profits and profile as an affiliate. Just be sure that you're ready to handle the work. To promote your affiliate marketing business, you should set up various URLs that point to your affiliate link. Web addresses that contain relevant search terms will show up higher in the rankings and entice people who are looking for more information about that term to click through and purchase. A great affiliate marketing tip is to be sure you list your site in all of the major directories. If people do not know about your site, there is no way you will generate any traffic. You have to put yourself out there, and be aggressive if you want to have a chance to be successful. If you plan on being successful with affiliate marketing, you must select a niche that will generate revenue. When participating in affiliate marketing, you are aiming to make money. Otherwise, you can just create a personal blog about your interests. Therefore, you need to do research to ensure that the niche you pick will be profitable for you. Use your intelligence when you see something that is too good to be true. If you see something that sounds like this, it probably leverages off of a scam. Do all of your research on legitimate products, as you should never want to throw your money away with a deal that will rarely materialize. As you can see, affiliate marketing is a complex and nuanced business style, with many techniques to maximize success as well as traps and pitfalls to avoid. Armed with the knowledge from this video, you will be better able to participate in the challenging and rewarding world of affiliate marketing. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.